Hey mamas, so here's a really short video. You can also make your own cloth wipes. You can use leftover t-shirts, you can use old torn up pre-folds, you can use flour sack towels, flannel, you can even use a softer woven. And all I do is take 2 layers and just serge around the outside. You can also do it turned and top stitched. Just put whichever side you want to be the inside on the outside. And you can clip it or pin it, or you could just freeform it because it's a wipe, so who cares, right? You could even just zigzag the edges if you're not worried about it fraying. But if you wanted a little more durable, leave a turning hole. You can do the same thing for unpaper towels, for cloth towels, which are just rags. You could do the same thing with family cloth. I know I had somebody ask me for family cloth when nobody could find toilet paper. There's, it's just scraps. Scraps of other fabrics that you didn't have a use for or was too small to make anything else. Old t-shirts, old flannel, old receiving blankets. You could even just make one layer wipes out of things like receiving blankets. You just turn it and then close off your opening and top stitch. You can iron them flat, you could quilt them, you can make them decorative. You could use a really pretty flannel. I like making them with one side baby terry and one side flannel. And then you've got that nice little washcloth type surface, but it's more durable because it has the flannel on the other side. And then you can make them in cute patterns. I like making them for cloth diaper cakes to be like on the top as decoration, and I'll use a matching flannel on one side. And then just basic soft baby terry, not the rough kind, but the soft kind of stretchy kind on the other side. You can also just use those baby washcloths that you get in like packs of 24. It's a great use for your absorbent fabric scraps, but you can also make cute ones too. Happy sewing!